What is up, everyone? Welcome back to another video and another full trade breakdown. And today we're going to be going over a Usdcad buy that I took for around 90-ish pips. Obviously, fantastic trade. What we're going to go through today is obviously how I found the trade, how I executed it, where I took my profits in between, where my stop loss was, just the ideology of exactly kind of how obviously I structured this trade and how I executed it, how I saw it in general, obviously for you guys. So let's hop straight into this. So let's go to the daily to start. So as you can see on the daily, we had that huge downwards momentum and we hit this trend line at the bottom here, where we actually got three double bottoms, slightly bullish from each other, as you can see there. So we have come up. I did have this long-term trend line. Here, as you can see, coming down, that we've usually respected really nicely, especially when we were at these highs up here. Now, the real sort of like reason for the trade was on the kind of like the 4 hour and 1 hour time frame. Okay, so as we can see here, this was my trade. As you can see, this level was my entry, and as you can see, we hit final target up here for it says 117 pips, but I actually got out at this level here due to some it was going to be overnight, and obviously some rejection from this level as well. So I took a little bit less, but was happy obviously with the profit there. As you can see, but as you can see, played out nicely anyway. So as you can see, reason for this trade. So the market has broken this trend line. We have come up, but we have then come down and respected this level. As you can see, this is a big support level as well, and but also the other side of the trend line. And to add to that, the 200 EMA. We have rejected not once, not twice, not 3 times, not 4 times, not 5 times, 6 times on the 4 hour. We tried to break through this and couldn't. So this was my first, obviously, point of interest to say, okay, we're struggling to break through this area. We have these multiple technical confirmations to say that we could be getting the bounce here. So obviously, an amazing entry, of course, would have been at this level here. My problem with entering at this level here is I wouldn't have an idea of where my stop loss would be, because I have this other short-term trend line coming through, and it's just kind of a bit messy price action around this area. So I wouldn't have a clear stop loss. So I wanted to make sure that we were looking like we were getting the bullish momentum before obviously enter the trade. So where was that next point of interest? As you can see, we do get rejection of this level. If we break this level here, I am looking to take the trade, enter, buy, and then obviously see final target this high up here. Reason why I was targeting this high, because if we look on the daily, this is a big 200 EMA and a big rejection point in general on the daily time frame, as you can see there. So just wanted to make sure I'm maximizing as much profit as possible, and obviously not getting the rejection and then obviously losing some money obviously out of that trade. So that's the ideology of the trade. And then of course, because we have broken this level, I can just say, okay, we've tested this level so many times, so my stop loss can be break and close of this level here. Then obviously I can be out. So a fully planned trade. Now let's go to the entry. So let's hop into the 1 hour, because the 1 hour is where my entry would have been. So as you can see here, the chart is opened up a little bit more now. So as you can see here, we've got the rejection off this level. We've bounced. We've got rejection around this level here, as you saw on the 4 hour. My entry was actually on the break and close of around here, or I think it might have been the rejection again, maybe this level, but either way, around this level here was my entry point. Now, why were these levels my entry points? Reason one, we have broken and closed above this level and even broken this previous high, as you can see. So I was in at this level. And then as you can see, if I did get in this level here, I'm not sure. The reason why I've circled both is I'm not sure which area I entered now. Because as you can see, 12, we actually took almost a week to hit final target. So it was around these levels here. So let me explain. So as you can see, we've broken and closed above this level, proving that we have broken this level of resistance. So I entered this trade here. Obviously, stop loss would be break and close below this level here. We also got the rejection of the level again, proving a strong point. So break and retest, as you will. Broken this level here. And then as you can see, We were in a slight bit of drawdown, nothing too crazy, and then obviously we shot up to where my first target was at this level here, at this pink line. This is what I took a take profit 1 and moved my stop loss to break even so the trade can literally run risk free. So after I hit this level here, I was running risk free. So I could just let this trade play as I looked, obviously, other opportunities in the market. And as you can see, we didn't get anywhere near our entry points. We got a little wick there that got fairly close, but nothing too crazy. And as you can see, plain sailing all the way up to the final target up here, which, as you can see, if I pull it from that level there, around 94 to 95 pips, which is absolutely fantastic. Obviously, it would have been around 117 pips for the final TP. But as you can see, I got a little bit of rejection off this level. And I got an alert around this level telling me. So I was like, you know what? For the sake of like 5 pips or whatever, I'm happy to just take the rest of that trade. So plain sailing up this level. So a lovely trade, as you guys can see there. Really nice plain sailing trade. Obviously, full risk management, a full plan in place, and just let this run and play its motions, and obviously trusting the trade and everything like that. And of course, a massive reason how I'm able to find high probability setups daily is due to Market AI. Have you ever been scrambling on Twitter, on Bloomberg, on all these websites trying to find your fundamentals? You need to look no more. Market AI gives you all of your fundamentals in a very easily digestible way to add straight into the technicals of your trading. As you can see here on gold, high time frame bullish, intraday bullish, giving you all the news of what's happening with this asset class right now, so you can make the best informed decision based on your technicals and add that fundamentals into your environment. You can add as many pairs as you like, and the AI system is going to compile all of the fundamentals going on in the world with that asset class and put it all in one place. You have a daily bias, so you can see exactly what's going on with the pairs that you like to trade the most. Currency news and data, equity news and data, all the economy news of what's going on in the world, a COT report as well, and a whole backtesting fundamentals page where you can backtest your technical setups in line with the fundamentals to see if that could have added extra confirmation to your trading journey. And if you use the code DAN10, you will get 10% off this whole platform. And this is an absolute non-negotiable for you as a trader. It is going to transform you to whatever trader that you are now and take you to that next level. Of course, if you guys want to learn exactly how I find these high probability opportunities daily, and just to add into the mix, these trades that I find, like this whole watch list that you see on the right hand side here, literally take me 1 hour a day to do all of them. I've created a system where it takes 1 hour a day. I can go and enjoy the rest of my day, you know, go to the gym, do whatever I like, and the alerts are going to let me know when it's close to my areas and everything like that. So if you're looking for a system where obviously you still have your time freedom, you're not on tied to the charts every day, and it's super simple rules-based approach, feel free to reach out to me or click one of the links in the description, and that will take you to the right sources. Profit will be somewhere around the screen as well. And yeah, guys, I'll see you guys in the next video. Happy trading, and let's get it.